We tried that out there. Let's try it again. Hello? Better. Okay. You're all welcome to Greater Heights International School, even though we're rained out. But anyway, we're in Ghana, so we substituted. We want to welcome all of you here. This is a real smart quiz. Are all of you real smart? Oh, come on. Are all of you real smart? That's right. All of you are smart. But you can only pick 3 to do the quiz, okay? So, we have one school, Northern Star. Do we have 3 people that come up here? Who's the 3 for Northern Star School? Now look, even if they're not from your school, can't you still clap for them? Come on. That's better. All right. Aja Memorial. Do you have 3 smart? We have 3 smart people coming. Okay, you're all welcome. I'm going to turn this over to the quiz master. But remember, all of you are smart today, okay? All right. Have some fun with this, okay? All right, thank you.
Hello. Thank you very much. Time is fast spent. And so we have to just cut short most of the things we're supposed to do before the quiz starts. My name is Fauzia, and this real smart quiz competition. This is the second one that we are having. After this, tomorrow we'll have the last one, and then the winners will come for the final on the 11th. Yes, we are late, but we can't start the program without a prayer, so we'll have to pray before, even though we are late. So we'll call on Mr. Ali from Aisha Nurura to give us an opening prayer.
Good day to everyone. Shall we pray? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, all praise and peace and all praise and peace belongs to Allah. Indeed, it is a great day, and it is our hope and prayer that this will become successful. And I wish both schools the very best of luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We're supposed to have a welcome address from the school. Will we still have it because you talked already? Okay. Thank you. We'll take a short, very, very short speech from the director of Real Smart Quiz, Rita.
Good morning, or afternoon, sorry. I'm sure we're supposed to start in the morning, so I'm going to have to say good morning to you all. I said good morning again. I'm Rita, the director of Real Smart Quiz Competition, the organizer of this program today. I am not solely the organizer. Anytime you hear of Real Smart Quiz Competition, you should expect to see a number of faces. Today marks the second competition, as the MC rightly mentioned, and the winners today stand to meet 2 other schools at the finals on the 11th of July at the stadium. On Monday, there was a maiden competition between Tamale International and Synergy Star. Tamale International emerged winners. So, apart from the 2 other schools, hopefully, Peter Heights, you might meet at the finals. You should expect to meet Tamale International as well. So, I hope you will do well. And I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Um, Good day to everyone. So
as time is already fast spent, it wouldn't be necessary talking a lot about Westmount Peace Competition, but we should only be aware that it doesn't end today. We will have the finals at the stadium, and whether you emerge winners or not, you are still invited to the main program. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'll start very soon, but I just want to introduce the team. I'm Fauzia, like I said. Then we have Deepo, who's the timekeeper. We have Rida, who will be our taking the marks for us. Then we have the quiz master himself. He's called Mr. Moon. I'm sure one of you or some of you might have heard of Moon series. He's a teacher at Adventist Senior High School, and he's the author of the popular book Moon series, Integrated Science. So if you need integrated science for your children, you can go and look for Moon series. So on this note, I'll give the mic to the quiz master so that we can start the program. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, I think. Yeah, thank you, Madam MC. Ladies and gentlemen, as already mentioned, we are already behind time. So we'll move straight to the point. Contestants are already seated. To my left, Aisha Memorial. Then to my right, Northern Star International School. But before we begin, would like to allow them to introduce themselves, would like to know their name, and then the forms. Yeah, I want to know the forms that you are, form 1, form 2. I know the form 3 are already gone. So we begin with Aisha Memorial. Introduction.
My name is Isa Farida. I am 11 years old, and I'm in Form 1.
Thank you. Put your hands together for her.
My name is Ayam Lalisa. I'm 14 years old. I'm in Form 1.
Thank you. Your hands together for her.
My name is Elisa Hani. I am 12 years old. I am in Form 1.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Aisha Memorial International School. Now, Northern Star.
My name is Ibrahim Ahmed. I'm 14 years old. I'm in Form 1.
Thank you.
My name is Dr. Veronica. I'm 12 years old. I'm in Form 1.
My name is Ayandila Sambo. I'm 14 years old and I'm in Form 1.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, today's competition we are going to have 5 rounds. Round 1 is going to be solely for English language and some bit of literature. Then we'll be having integrated science for round 2. Then mathematics for round 3. Then we'll be having problem of the day, which will be round 4. Then round 5 will be for general knowledge. Please, contestant, note this. A major question you are going to take. Hello? Good. Now, for major questions, you will be allowed 30 seconds. 30 seconds for major questions. That is when it involves what? Calculation. And then non-calculation major questions will take 15 seconds. Bonus questions, that is one school phase to answer and it's coming to you, you take 5 seconds to produce the answer for a mark of 1. Major questions take 3 marks. Ladies and gentlemen, we begin with round 1. Okay. Audience, the information is that because we are crowded, we like to hear every bit of what is coming. So, if you want to put your hands together for any performance from the contestant, it should be just be brief. Round 1, English language. We begin with Aisha Memorial. You take your major question. In literature, the traditional laws and the ways of life of people are referred to as
myths.
Come again.
They are called myths.
No, please. Question should be, I'll ask the question only once. So please, next time you just pay attention. Then your time is up. Yes, for bonus. No. Yes, audience. Yes. Folktale. You are called folktale. Northern Star International. Take your major. Stories about the relationship between human beings and the gods, human beings and the gods are referred to as stories about the relationship between human beings and gods are referred to as myths for 3 points. Aisha Memorial, your major. What are naming ceremonies, funeral rites, instruments and instruments of chiefs, puberty rites, etc. are referred to in literature? How do we refer to all these things that I mentioned? How do we refer to them in literature?
Legends.
No.
Folk lyrics.
No. Yes, for a bonus of 1.
Passage rights.
Oh, no. Audience. Audience, yes. Customary right. Customary right. Yes. A major 2. North Star. Northern Star, right? Northern Star. Good. Lives of great people, when they die, are referred to as
Legends.
legends for 3 points. Now we move to the next stage. Aisha Memorial. Take this. Now listen attentively. This is the instruction that you are going to follow. You are to choose. I'm going to give you possible answers, and choose the correct figure of speech of the sentence I'm going to read out of the possible figure of speech that will be given to you. Is that clear? So your major question. Now, I had to wait in line forever to get those tickets. Is it simile? Is it metaphor? Is it assonance? Or is it hyperbole? Which one is the answer?
Similes.
No, please. This one, sorry, I should have mentioned it. You should take only 1 attempt because of the possible, and it's not going to be transferred. The answer is audience. Okay. Yes, audience.
Hyperbole.
Oh no, please. Another person. Out of that. Metaphor. It's metaphor. You take your major, please. Take your major. Northern Star. Crocodile. Attention, please. Crocodile's teeth are sharp daggers, so be careful. Crocodile teeth are sharp daggers, so be careful. Is it personification? Is it assonance? Is it simile or metaphor?
Personification.
No, please. Audience. Yes. Come again. No. The answer is a metaphor. Yes. Your major question. Aisha Memorial. Please, when the question comes, take your time and then let one person give. Answer, eh? Okay. Now, your major. Barbering Bob blew a chance at betting baseball with players. Is it? Let me repeat the question again. Barbering Bob blew a chance at betting baseball with players. Is it Azonas? Is it hyperbole? Is it Azonas or alliteration? Alliteration for 3 points. Northern Star. Northern Star. The baby's skin is as smooth as silk. Is it a simile? Is it metaphor? Is it personification or hyperbole? Simile. Simile for 3 points. Aisha. The wilted flower begged for water. The wilted flower begged for water. Is it simile, personification, metaphor? Which one is the answer?
Simile.
No, please. Yes, audience. Yes, personification. Your majors. Northern Star. I listened as my sister threw a huge rock into the river and it went flat. Is it simile? Is it hyperbole or Azonas? Which one is the answer?
Hyperbole.
Hyperbole for 3 points. On that note, we move to the next stage. Your major. Give the plural form of the following I'm going to give you. Now, listen to me. I'm going to give you the words. Then you tell me the plural form of those words. I'll mention a word. Then you tell me the plural form of the word I'm going to give you. Now, so take your major. Locus. Locus. Come again?
Locus.
Oh no. You still have chance. Yes. For a bonus of 1.
Locus.
Oh no. Yes. Loci. That is Loci. L-O-C-I. Take your major. Northern Star. Take your major. Stadium. Stadium.
Stadium.
Stadium for 3 points. Aisha. Radius. Radius. Come again. Come again. No. Radia. No. 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 Yes. Yes. Northern Star. What is the plural form of radius? No. A bonus. The clear answer. Okay, audience. Come again. Ready. Okay, spell it. Let me hear.
R-A-D-I-I.
Okay, ready. Yes, ready. Okay. So, let's go. Number major, Northern Star. Stratum. 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 Stratum.
Structure.
Come again.
Structure.
Can you spell it, please?
S-T-R-U-C-T.
That is wrong. A bonus. Stratum. The plural form of stratum. Yes, audience. Anyone from among the audience? Okay, the answer is strata. 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 Okay, we move to another stage. Aisha Memorial, take your major. This time now, I'm going to give you a word. Then you give me the word that is given to the collective or a group of the word I'm going to mention. Are you with me? Okay. Now, so take your major. Aisha. Players. Players. What's the collective name? Players. Team of players for people. Nodding star. Petal. Petal.
A flock.
Come again?
A flock.
No. Yes. Petal. Yes.
Head.
Head of petal. Bonus of what? Your major. Teachers.
Star.
Stars of teachers. Northern Star. Soldiers.
An army.
Army of soldiers for people. Your major. Animals.
Logo.
No, please.
Head.
No, please. Yes, the bonus of 1. Come again? No, please. Yes, audience. Yes.
Forest.
Oh no. Any other person? Zoo. Zoo. Zoo of animals. Now, your major. Northern Star. Directors. 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 Yes, a bonus.
Staff.
Oh no, please. Yes, audience. Audience. Board of Directors. Board of Directors. Now, Aisha Memorial. You take your major. This time around, I'm going to give you a sentence. And then you give me the name that is given to the study of that. You understand me? Very good. So take your major. The study of poems. 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 No. Come again. You have 15 seconds to answer that. So don't just. That is wrong.
Points.
Come again.
Points.
No, please. Yes. Northern Star. Northern Star. Yes. Audience. Audience. Yes. Come again. Oh no, please. The answer is poetics. Poetics. Now, your major. I think you. Northern Star. The study of chemicals. 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 Yes.
Chemicology.
Come again.
Chemicology.
Chemicology. No. Yes. Yes.
Chemistry.
Chemistry. Chemistry. Your major. Take your major. The study of building and designs. Building and designs.
Architecture.
Architecture. Architecture. For people. Notice that. The study of God. The study of God. Things about God. The study of things about God. Please. Come again.
Religion.
No, please.
Theology.
Theology. Take your major. Relax, don't get that before you answer. Is that okay? Take your time. Now, your major, you take your major. The study of light. The study of light. No, please. No, please. Yes, a bonus of 1. Non-instar. Non-instar. Audience. Optics. Optics. Yes. Non-instar. Take your major. The study of matter and energy. The study of matter and energy.
Physics.
Physics for 3 points. Now we move to another stage in the same round. This time round, I'm going to mention a phobia. Are you with me? Or no, I'm going to give you a sentence, and you tell me the phobia of that sentence. You understand? You know, I know. You understand what I mean? Very good. Now take your major. Aisha, fear of flying.
Aerophobia.
Aerophobia. No, mister. Fear of animals.
Zoophobia.
Zoophobia. For 3 points. Yes. Aisha, fear of computers. 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 Computer. Computers.
Technophobia.
Come again?
Technophobia.
No, please.
Com-
Yes. A bonus. If somebody is here coming closer to computers, how do we call this? Yes. Okay, yes, audience. Audience. Okay, the answer here is cyberphobia. 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 Now we go to spelling, another stage. This time I'm going to give you a word. Then you give me the spelling. Come again. So your word. Come again. Not a star.
Yes.
Has not. Is right. No, I think it's that. Yes, you. Your major spelling.
Yes.
You pick your major. Oh, okay. Okay. Then, non-instar. You have 1 more left for this round, for this part. Fear of water. Keep quiet, please. Fear of water. Yes. Hydrophobia. A bonus of 1. Yes, a bonus of 1. Yes, yes. Just 1.
It should be 1. Aqua is also there.
No.
It's a bonus. And you
It
should be 1 attempt.
You are right. You are right. You are right.
You didn't get it.
That's correct. No. 1 attempt. Yeah, that's correct. That is right. That is right. That is right. It's 1 attempt. So take it like that. Yeah, it's 1. It's supposed to be 1 attempt. Yeah. ladies and gentlemen, let's come to this. Yes, aqua and hydro. It could be aqua or hydro. So actually, I have to speak it could be aqua or hydro, so it's fine. Yes, it can be one there. So let's go, please, ladies and gentlemen. There's Lolly. Yes. Aisha, your way. Abisma. Abisma.
Abisma.
Yes.
A.
Yes.
B.
Yes.
I. S. M. A.
No, please. Time up. Yes. For a bonus of 1.
A B Y S M A L.
Correct for 1 point. Now you take your major. Qatar. 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 Inflammation of the nose and the throat with increased production of mucus.
C A
C-A.
T A double R and H. C A
Yes, come again.
T A
Yes.
R R
Yes.
H.
Correct for 3 points. Aisha. Xenophobia. Let me come again. Xenophobic, not bia. Xenophobic. Xenophobic. Xenophobic.
It's XELOPHOBIC.
Correct for 3 points. Northern Star. Separate. 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 Act as a barrier between something. Separate.
SEPARATE.
Correct for 3 points. Aisha. Condemn. Condemn. Express strong disapproval. I'll give you the meaning of the word is condemn. I'll give you the meaning of it so it will help you give the spelling.
CONDEMN.
Correct for 3 points. Northern Star. Diabetes. Diabetes. Diabetes.
D A T I A B E T E S.
Correct for 3 points. Aisha. Pamphlet. Pamphlet. A small book usually having a paper cover.
Pamphlet.
Yes.
PALMPLET.
I will accept it.
PAMPLET.
That's wrong. Yes, a bonus.
PHAM.
That is wrong. Which spelling? Yeah. That is wrong. One I think. That is wrong. Yes.
PAMPHLET.
That's correct. That is correct. Now, your major. Major. Northern Star. Parachute. 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 A rescue equipment consisting of a device that fills with air.
P
P-A.
A R A
Yes.
C H U T E.
Correct for 3 points. Aisha. Pneumonia.
Pneumonia. PHEMONIA.
That is wrong.
Pneumonia.
Time up.
Pneumonia. PAPNEUMONIA.
Correct for 1. Take your major. Gynecology. Gynecologist. 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 Gist. JH. Come again, G or J?
Jane.
I can't see you again. Yes.
Jane H. YNOCOLO.
Did you say GH? That is wrong. No, your turn is up. Yes, a bonus. Yes.
GYNACO.
Yes. Oh, that's wrong. Yes. Audience, yes. 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 That's correct. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, we have come to the end of round 1. Northern Star. Science. Your major question. Calculate. Come again. Come. It's not. It's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so please, let's be careful with the calculation, please. Yeah, so it's 24. It's right. So, ladies and gentlemen, point of correction. Aisha Memorial is rather 24, not 21. 24, not 21. Now, round 2. Round 2. Science. Northern Star. Take your major. Remember, calculation questions take 15 seconds. No, 30 seconds, sorry. Calculate the volume of a body whose mass is 24 grams and has a density of 0.4 grams per cubic centimeters. What is the volume of that body? Yes, Aisha Memorial.
0.6 centimeter cube.
That is wrong. Audience, who are the answer? Among the audience. The answer is 60 centimeters cube or 60 cubic centimeters. Now, Aisha Memorial, take your major. Calculate the mass of a stone of density 0.2 gram per cubic centimeters and volume of 50 cubic centimeters. What is the mass of that body?
The answer is 30 grams.
Come again?
30 grams.
No, please. Yes.
10 grams.
10 grams. 10 grams. The answer is 10 grams. So a bonus of 1. Now this time, take your middle. The mass of a piece of stone is 100 grams. The mass of a piece of stone is 100 grams. Calculate the weight of the stone. Calculate the weight of the stone, or what is the weight of the stone?
Say 100 grams.
No, please. You still have time.
10,000 grams.
No, please. Yes, Aisha Memorial.
60 grams.
Oh, no, please. remember this particular one, the mass is given in grams. And you have to find the weight. And remember, we use the acceleration due to gravity 10 meters per second square. Are you with me? By then, the 100 grams must be changed to kilogram. You can't work the 100 grams with the what? So you change it to what? Kilogram before you matter. If you work it out, the answer will be 1 Newton. The answer is 1 Newton. Now, question number 4. Calculate, that is Aisha Memorial. Aisha, your major. Calculate the mass of a body of weight 800 Newton. 800 Newton. What is the mass of a body having a weight of 800 Newton? Come again.
80 grams. 80 kilograms.
80 kilograms. 80 kilograms. Northern Star, take your major. A 39 cubic centimeters magnesium has a mass of 75.6 grams. I repeat. A 39 cubic centimeters magnesium bar has a mass of 75.6 grams when placed on a beam balance. What is the density of the magnesium? What is the density of the magnesium? Yes, Aisha Memorial.
Newton.
No, please. The answer is supposed to be 1.94 grams per cubic centimeters. Now, Aisha Memorial, take your major. Calculate the mass of a material whose density is 2.5 kilogram per meter cube and has a volume of 3.6 meter cube. No, please. No. Okay, yes.
9 kilograms.
9 kilograms. 9 kilograms for a bonus of 1. Now, Northern Star, take your major. Now, listen attentively, please. How many atoms are there in tetraoxosulfate 6 acid? H2SO4. Seven atoms. Aisha Memorial. How many atoms are there in ammonium chloride? NH4Cl. For 3 points. Not this star, your major. Now, here you are going to give me, it's a preamble to the two of you, please. So you give me one example of what I'm going to ask you. You give me one, any of them. Now, you are expected to give one example of a substance that undergoes sublimation. Iodine crystal for 3 points. North Star. Sorry, Aisha Memorial. Salt. No. Okay. Audience. Yes, give me more. Yes. Come again. Naphthalene board or camphor. Any other? Yeah, this one is not sodium, it's ammonium chloride. So ammonium chloride undergo naphthalene, that is camphor, and then also have iodine or crystal. Okay, so that is that. Your major, Northern Star. What material is the plant cell made up of? Yes, for a bonus of 1.
Chlorophyll.
Oh, no. Yes. Yes. Cellulose or cell sap. Cell sap. Okay. Now let's go. Your major. It goes to your major. Cell structures housed in cytoplasm of a cell are called cell structures housed in cytoplasm of a cell are called
Cell.
no please.
Mitochondria.
No please. Yes, a bonus of 1.
Organelle.
Organelles. Organelles for 1. Your major. Northern Star. Northern Star. Name 2 inorganic components of a soil. Of soil. Name 2 inorganic components of soil.
Rocks. Minerals.
Yes, rock. I will not rock in the soil.
Fertilizer.
No, I'll give you 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. Aisha Memorial. Name 2 organic components of soil. 2 organic components of soil. Humus.
Gravel.
Gravel.
Humus and earthworm.
Okay, I'll give you 2 out of 3. The reason it's not only earthworm, I'm expecting living organisms or microorganisms. It's not only earthworm. We have a whole lot of. So that humus and a living microorganism. So 2 out of 4, 3. Now take a major question. Northern Star. What does the porosity or permeability of the soil describe? Are you writing the sentence before giving the answer? Your time is up. Yes?
Retains water.
Come again?
Retains water.
Oh no, please. Porosity, permeability of the soil. What does it describe? Yes, audience. Yes.
The drainage ability of the soil.
Drainage ability of the soil. Now your major. Your major. Are you here preparing yourself for tomorrow? Okay, yes. Aisha Memorial. Your major. I hope you are ready. Good. Explain the term specialized cell. When we say cell is specialized cell, what does it mean? Silence, please.
A specialized cell is a particular cell which is important in the living organism.
No, I will not accept this. Yes.
These are cells that have specific functions.
Specific function. That's the key word. Now take your major. What does the word soil profile mean? What does it mean? Soil profile.
They are the arrangement of soils.
I will take it, please. Yes.
Soil profile is the horizontal arrangement of soil.
No, I will not take it. You deviated from there. Yes. Okay. Yes.
It is a vertical.
Vertical cross-section of the soil, showing the horizons or the layers of the soil, not the you were on the way and then you move. This is a science. I can't correct you. So yes, you take your major. Aisha, take your major. Provide the name of two main parts of the female part of the flower. Complete flower has male and female part. Give me two main parts of the female part of the flower.
Star and stigma.
Come again.
Star.
The star and the stigma for 3 points. Northern star. Give me two main parts of the male part of the flower.
Stamen and the anther.
Come again.
Stamen and anther.
The stamen
Yes.
and the anther. No, I will not take it. Yes. The filament and the anther. The filament and the anther. The stamen is the collective name of the component of the female part. So if you say stab, then that's tautology. Someone say tautology. You have missed out the whole thing. Yeah, major. You take your major. You take your major. What does the calyx consist of in the flower?
The calyx consists of the stamen and the stigma, which is the female part of the flower.
I can't hear you, please.
The calyx, it consists of the star and the stigma.
No, please. Yes, a bonus.
It consists of the sepals.
It consists of the sepal. Now, so your major now. A fertilized ovary, which we say ovary. Are you with me? When ovary is fertilized and develops, what does it become?
Seed.
The fruit for 3 points. Your major. When the ovule is fertilized and developed, it becomes what?
The zygote.
No. The seed for 3 points. Northern star. Your major. What is the name given to the type of propagation in which new plant grow from any portion of an old one other than the seed?
Asexual.
Asexual reproduction or vegetative reproduction. I'm saying it for 3 points. Your major. Diffusion of blood in the lungs specifically take place in which part of the lungs? Diffusion of air into the blood in the land specifically take place in which part of the land?
The right lung,
No. Yes.
left lung,
Yes. Come again? No, please. Yes. The alveoli. The alveoli or other, yes, how do you commonly known as what? Air sac. Okay. Major. Northern Star. Take your major. Another name for internal respiration is known as what? No, please. Yes, for who? Oh, yes, audience. Yes. Yeah, either cellular or what? Tissue respiration. Cellular respiration or tissue respiration. Because it happens in the tissue or the cell. Okay, now, your major. Major goes to Aisha Memorial. What is the percentage composition of carbon dioxide in exhale air?
Zero 0.98. 0.98.
No, please. We still have more. Yes, a bonus.
0.03.
0.03 for bonus of 1. Now take your major. How many meters make up 1 kilometer?
1,000 meters.
1,000 meters. Your major, Aisha Memorial. Which measuring instrument, inner jaw, is used to measure the inner diameter of circular objects? No, please.
Volume flux.
No, please. No, please. You didn't get the question right. Yes, you. Northern Star. No idea. Yes, audience. Yeah, lady, you have been providing the answers. Yes. Venial caliper. Venial calipers. Now, major. Who is taking the major? Northern Star, your major. Now, this round, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be true or false part. Listen attentively of the science. In this part, if I provide, I give the question and you don't know it, keep quiet. Because if you make attempt and answer it and it's wrong, 1 mark will be deducted from your already accumulated marks. By then, if you're able to answer it, then 2 additional marks will be given to you. So, if you keep quiet and then it move away, then no mark will be what? Deducted. So if you don't know it, you keep quiet. Now, Northern Star. The amount of substance is measured in ampere. True or false?
False.
False. Aisha Memorial. 2.2. 2, yes. Aisha Memorial. Luminous intensity is measured in mole. True or false?
True.
Oh, it's false.